And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have colors left over and glasses are right there, which is awesome. And I am going to throw both some white. I'm covered with paint. I thought I got a lot of it off, but I guess I didn't get as much off as I thought I was. I don't usually put paint in the areas that I'm going to put my other paint, but this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I just kind of feel like the only way that I'm going to get it to behave the way I want it to. I see that thing that does not belong in there. I do not know why it is there, but it is gone now. That's one of my favorite things about the OXO omelet turning spatula, is that you can flatten your paint out so nicely you can see anything that might happen to be in there interrupting you, like those objects. So that really wasn't enough paint. I don't know what I was thinking, so let's have some more. I guess I was thinking I didn't want an excess. But I expect that I'm going to be using an edge catcher, which I have over there, right here, which is just the plastic insert on it's a protective panel on the front of a 5-pack of 16 by 20 inch canvases you can get at Michael's. The 16 by 20 inch canvases, yeah, no, I'm a little redundant. So the painting I just made was really cool. I don't care that there's any white paint on my spatula. I'm just using this paint to, whoops, I'm just not wasting that paint. I've never actually spread white on the top with black on the bottom exactly like this. To do this, I don't have a lot of time. It's kind of late in the day. I got a late start. It's been kind of hectic here, wondering whether the hurricane was going to hit or not, and it seems like we might have avoided it. Knock on wood, somebody. Of course, it will have already happened by now. I'm just using my fingers to knock off any paint that's on the bottom and cover the edge before I go ahead. I'm going to have to wipe off my hands. Oh well, never mind. So into the bucket that goes, and a quick wipe. And I might grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula or something. What something? Maybe a shovel something. Let's do water. Let's just get it out of there, and I want some land colors, which might or might not be that. Where's my green? There's my green. It's not, yep, I got some out. Cool. And I always like to throw some gold in there and some dark purple, which I probably don't need as much as I would have normally thought. And I will add colors as I need them. Let's just rest that right there. Take all the color out of my box, put it on the canvas, because I will add colors from squeeze bottles that are already pre-mixed with additives to help paint flow. That goes into the bucket. I'll wipe off my spatula in case I need it again, and I do. I need to dry off my spatula. I don't like getting water in my paint, so I'm just going to use all that, I hope. And I might be sorry I'm getting rid of that. Maybe I should leave that out for a minute. It's hot, but it's not as hot as usual because it's been raining on and off because of this coming storm. Alright, so as risky as it is, I'm going for it. And if it happens to turn into a very purpley sky, so be it. No idea what I'm going to get. I'm inclined to just be madly surreal, and I'm going to no, I'm not going to throw that in the bucket yet. I'm going to give myself permission to get down and get funky. And that includes some magenta. Alright, it's the here goes nothing moment. Oh! There's the here goes nothing moment. So, I'm going to go down. Whoops. I'm not going to go down. What am I going to do? going to start by going up with everything as far as I can, and then down. This may or may not work this time. Let everything go over to the best of my ability. It'd be nice if it did work this time. Letting everything go. I will swipe if I need to. I will add white if I need to. I want those sky colors. I'm going to rock my edge catcher. Send everything back again. Even scrape it off so it covers the edge. Maybe do it upside down on the other side. I don't know if I'm going to get lucky yet, but I'm a pretty lucky painter, so I'm going to just keep going without giving up. Definitely planning on keeping what I get that looks good and changing the rest if I can, if I need to. So I have less paint in my sky area, which is kind of convenient at the moment because I want that bottom to show more. I think I have blue mountains for a change as opposed to water that I thought I had. I'm going to let that run down this way a little bit. Throw it back. Rock it over. I am going to take paint that I see on my edge catcher and use it to fill in my top edge. Maybe tomorrow I'll put trees in. Well, maybe not tomorrow. Maybe after we find out what's going on with the weather. Yes, I did. I just stole a little paint and filled a little canvas, and we're all covered right there. Kind of makes me want to put some yellow at the bottom, but I think next I'm going to grab my paint, create a horizon line, maybe some funky shapes. Maybe some purple up there. I really like making a line of purple. Across the back or whatever I'm doing. I never use a skewer to put it in place either, and I think I want to, just to see what happens. I don't think I really wanted as much white from the top half coming down through, but I don't think I'm stuck with anything yet either. We'll see. Alright, so I'm just going to take the paint that's on my skewer. I think I want some green. Several greens, in fact. Just let those blend in with everything else, more or less. Wonder if I can tip that down, and I can. I'm going to lose some sky color if I do that, but that's okay with me right now. I like the white in between, but I think it's open to interpretation. I might want to put some lighter color in there, some yellow, not sure what yet. I want my purple back. Across the top. Looks more like a raging sea than a mountain range right now. That white is going to do whatever it wants. I can see that now. kind of want to not destroy all the pretty parts of this, but I also want to play. And I want to add stuff where I think I might need it. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Underneath Show More, underneath the video. And if you guys are interested in what's under the video, the paint pouring recipe is under the video. And so are PayPal and Patreon if you want to be a contributor to the studio and enter this month's contest, which is on the end screens, showing prizes. Looks like my paint is going to do what it wants with a little help from me. I didn't put any copper in this one, and I kind of miss it, actually. I got 5 minutes left. I can keep playing. I never did put any pink in the sky. Let's put some copper in there and see what happens. See that thing that does not belong? I'm gonna very gently do something. Maybe not gently. Maybe I'll just be doing something. I like the big chain. I was walking the dogs and somebody moved out of their house and left some trash when they cleaned the house out, and in it were these big chains that come from the blinds that they have all over Florida. Oh, I thought that was not Prussian blue. I thought that was black. I haven't found the black. I think the black went missing. I think I've been using the big bottle and not looking hard enough for the small one. So that's what chain looks like in there, and I still want to know if I can get away with that or not. And I think that might require another tool. I'm not sure about that right there, so I'm not going to worry about it. Not thrilled with that red color, I gotta say. And that yellow's pretty obnoxious now too. What do I have? Could be my first fail. We'll see. It's different. It might be getting better. Makes me want to put chain in the sky. I think that magenta helped immensely. I could be wrong. I really like the magenta, and I'm not sure about anything else. So, I'm going to be crazy. Leave some strange marks in my sky, because clouds are often strange. I'm not going to worry about what paint color comes off. With my chain. Well, I do want to keep that purple. I am willing to make a mess right now. And I could blow that around. That large chain is quite large. I think I'm going to lose my line of demarcation in between things. But I kind of want to know what will happen if I let my mountains swallow things. And if I let things tip and tilt and just become... I see that thing that does not belong. I think. Maybe not. I'm not unhappy that I added the copper in there, but I don't see that it's doing anything that I'm in love with yet either. It's not hanging out. I got a lot of paint on my... You know, there are a lot of things I don't hate about that. She said, trying to be optimistic. Yeah, I think this bottom right hand, bottom left hand, bottom right hand for you corner is going to get a little green sea treatment. And I could probably go ahead and do that a lot of places. I think what I want to do is torch while I can. I lost my white ridge. I got 2 minutes from now, maybe a little more. I can do whatever I want, but I don't know what I want. So that's still beautiful. The colors anyway. I keep imagining that is something I don't want in there. I do kind of want to just go through there and add some, it looks black, add some lines. I don't think it is black. I think it's Prussian blue. I have quite a bit of paint on my canvas. I don't mind running the skewer through and spreading some of it out. Maybe this one will be one gets trees. I'm still liking some things about this. The sky is not one of them though. I think if I had more time I might be able to finish, and I don't know what's going to happen to this after you guys are gone. But we might as well get totally surreal. Yep, there we go. Now I'm happy. Like that makes any sense at all. Alright, so I'm going to torch, and torching will release the bubbles, hopefully. Or some of them. I shouldn't have turned that toward you because I'm not sure what's going on there yet. Alright, I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate it. Helps me out. Places my videos where more people can find them, and if more people keep finding me, then I'll keep doing this for you guys. I love you guys. Hang in there. If you have questions, just ask. Thanks for the wonderful comments. Look for the contest on the end screens. Look for the playlist on the end screens. There's over 750 videos there. And I said I love you. I give classes at the house and I sell my artwork, and this is actually something I don't hate, and it happened in the last 10 seconds, and I'm pretty happy with that. Not sure how to describe it other than kind of surreal. And I'm going to torch till you're gone, and you're going to be gone. And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying thank you for joining me. I hope you survived the storm. I'm glad we're going to survive the storm.